Festival in Sevilla, and I'm actually on top of this little porch right now, and you can actually see a bunch of people having dinner downstairs. I'm gonna get some Moroccan food tonight at a place called Almadi. What's up everyone? It is 7:50 right now, and today is actually my first full day in Seville. Right now I'm out here doing some early filming in the Santa Cruz area, otherwise known as the Jewish Quarter. If you watched any of my other vlogs, you might know that I'm a big fan of coming out here really early and taking photos without people in the streets. So that's one of my favorite things to do, and it's also really relaxing. Today I'm going to the Alcazar, one of the main attractions, and then also going to see a flamenco show later at night. So a lot of things planned, super excited. Day in Spain. Right now I am at the Plaza de España in Seville. There's a lot going on, a lot of street performers here, a lot of people taking selfies. Also, it's really hot today and really sunny, which is why I have my hat. I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna do tonight, but I did get to see a flamenco show last night, and that was amazing. I've also really enjoyed all the flamenco that's going on in the streets. And all the musicians. I'm really sad to go back to San Francisco, but I had a wonderful time here, and I really wish to come back sometime and visit some other parts of Spain as well.